Hi guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for dangerous driving on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. Everything I've seen, this is basically a spiritual successor to Burnout 3, being that it was made by a couple of the people that were at Criterion. Yeah, made by a team of 7 people, which I think's bloody amazing, to be honest. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. You can also stream your music in via Spotify Premium, so that's really cool. So yeah, there's the front. Includes a bonus game, Danger Zone 2, which is basically Crash Mode, which came out last year, which I didn't play, so that's cool. So there's the front. There's the side. And there's the back. Race, fight, compete. Looks amazing. The pursuit mode's basically Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, so that's cool. So it is Xbox One X enhanced, and the install size is up to 16 gig, which isn't much at all. And inside we have the disc, which basically looks like you've smashed into something. So yeah, that's it for dangerous driving, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.